Now let's go over to the Paris Olympics 2024. Wheelchair racer Gerald Pete Mangliwan has booked his ticket to Paris. Let's get to know more about this Kalinga native para-athlete in this report by Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho.
Another para-athlete has been added to the roster, and this time, the 44-year-old Gerald Pete Mangliwan will be racing his way to the Paralympics. Third time's a charm, as wheelchair racer Gerald Pete Mangliwan has been officially qualified for the Paris Paralympics 2024. This is after his stint last 2016 in Rio and the 2020 Tokyo Games. But before he raced his way in life, Gerald used to play hoops.
2005 kasi, doon ako na nakapasok sa sa national team. Pero wheelchair basketball, 2009 nag-shift po ako ng athletics para athletics.
The adrenaline rush made Gerald realize that it was not an opportunity he'd let go. Although a late bloomer at the age of 29, Gerald was able to immediately cop 2 golds and silvers in his first para-athletics competition in the Malaysia SEA Games. A Kalinga native, being a para-athlete wasn't really in the plan.
Actually, nanggaling po ako sa province kasi. So, from province naman, wala man tayong idea pagdating sa mga ganyan. Kasi ang purpose ko ng pagluwas ko sa Maynila dati is to mag-aaral lang.
At the young age of 2, Gerald was struck with the polio virus, leaving him to use a wheelchair.
Pero nung medyo nagbibingatan doon ka na magkakaroon ng yung conscious sa sarili mo. Hanggang sa mapunta na po ako ng Maynila, and then yun, sabi ko nga, na-engage na ako sa sports, nagkakaroon na ako ng self-confidence, yung makipag-usap ng ganito, parang maganito.
Looking back, the para-athlete's first time was his darkest days.
Yung masasabi ko nung nag-uumpisa pa ako kasi at that time nung nag-start pa kasi ako, kasi hindi pa yan hindi pa yun ganun ka yung support from at that time. 'Di ba? So marami kang kailangan i-consider that time kung gusto ko pa bang ituloy ito, yung ganun, yung time na yun So,
no matter how many turns in life, Gerald pushed through. Now, the athlete is looking to bring home a medal for his 3rd Paralympics.
Hindi ko nakuha yung gusto ko at that time. So, sana, this time, makakuha din ako ng inaasam lahat ng mga atleta. So, yun. Yun naman yung main goal ko ngayon.
The country has 6 delegates for the Paralympics representing taekwondo, swimming, archery, and athletics, and is set to commence this August 28. Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho. We are One News.
And good luck sa mga Paralympians natin, di ba?
Yes.
Mga
Alam mo ba kung sinong
si
isa pang
Arnel
kasama
Aba.
dyan? No, hindi kasama si Arnel. Si Ernie Gawilan.
Ernie Gawilan. Of course, I know them. Ernie Gawilan, Arnel Aba. Yung mga dati.
Yung mga dati kasi. Kasi si Aba, alam ko hindi pa siya nakasama.
Di ba meron din yung boccia?
Oo. Iba naman yun. Wala yan sa Paris.
Wala sa Paris.
Swimming
sa Paralympics.
Paralympics. Ernie Gawilan sa swimming yan. Marami na rin yan napanalo sa atin.
Oh.
Alright. Rank